Here's something that should be on every business owner's radar this week. Last week, we talked about the OpenAI models that escaped their sandbox and breached Hugging Face's infrastructure. That story raised a critical question. If AI agents can break out of their security boundaries, how do we protect our businesses when we deploy them? This week, the industry answered. NVIDIA just announced the Open Secure AI Alliance, and the member list reads like a who's who of enterprise technology. 37 founding members, including Microsoft, IBM, SpaceX, Palantir, CrowdStrike, Hugging Face, Adobe, Capital One, Salesforce, SAP, and ServiceNow. These companies are committing to build and share open source AI security tools. Notice who's not on that list: Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic. The labs building the frontier models are sitting this one out. The companies actually deploying AI in production, the ones responsible for protecting customer data and business operations, they're the ones leading the charge. Here's what they're building together. First, the NOOA framework from NVIDIA Labs. That's the Object-Oriented Agent framework for testing, auditing, and governing AI agents before you deploy them. Think of it as a safety certification process that anyone can inspect and verify. Second, shared tools for identity management, software integrity, and vulnerability detection specifically designed for AI systems. Third, a commitment to open source defensive capabilities so that security doesn't become another vendor lock-in trap. Why does this matter for your business? 3 reasons. 1, transparency. Closed security tools require you to trust the vendor's claims. Open tools let you verify the protections yourself or have your team audit them. When you're handling customer data or regulated information, that verification capability isn't optional anymore. 2, reduce single points of failure. The Alliance explicitly aims to prevent situations where one vendor's security failure becomes your business's catastrophe. Diversified open security infrastructure means you're not betting your entire AI strategy on one company's ability to stay ahead of threats. 3, democratized defensive capabilities. Small and medium businesses shouldn't have to choose between cutting-edge AI and cutting-edge security. Open source tools level the playing field. Your startup gets access to the same defensive frameworks as the enterprise giants. The timing is not accidental. This alliance formed in direct response to the OpenAI breach incident. That's the right pace. When a new risk emerges, the industry responds with practical solutions, not just warnings. For business owners evaluating AI vendors right now, here's the question to ask. Are they part of the solution, or are they sitting on the sidelines? The 37 companies in this alliance have made their choice. They're betting that open, verifiable, shared security infrastructure is the foundation for trustworthy AI deployment. Your AI strategy should account for this shift. When you're selecting tools, platforms, and partners, prioritize those aligned with open security standards. Your future self and your customers will thank you. That's this week's tip. Stay secure, stay informed, and keep building.